Hello everyone. Today our topic is maintenance, and in this topic we will be discuss about type of maintenance and what is the necessity of the maintenance and the activities of the maintenance. We have four type of maintenance in the industry. First is preventive maintenance, second is predictive maintenance, third is breakdown maintenance, and the number fourth is shutdown maintenance. But normally we will use only three type of maintenance in the power plant: PM, predictive, and the breakdown maintenance. And next is what is the necessity of maintenance. Maintenance क्यों जरूरी है? First is to protect the equipment to break down or the damage, to avoid the harm to man, to avoid the production loss, and to increase the equipment service life and to increase the equipment effectiveness. That's why that is the necessity of the maintenance. And the first type of maintenance is preventive maintenance, and the short form is PM. It is time-based maintenance. PM is the repairing of any machine at planned interval to protect it from breakdown or any damage. And the lubrication and the inspection are the two main constituents of the preventive maintenance. This type of maintenance involves inspection, cleaning, lubrication, and tightening of the bolt. Because before any breakdown, any equipment shows some signal, you will be observed this type of signal, and the conduct this type of maintenance we can protect the equipment from any breakdown. And what is the advantage of PM, preventive maintenance? Due to this preventive maintenance, we can get the greater safety to human, greater safety to equipment, to reduce the production cost, to increase the equipment service life, and to decrease the spare parts cost, and to decrease the store inventory. If you will be give importance to this type of maintenance, then the equipment will not any type of this type of, if you will be give this importance to this type of maintenance will not be divert to predictive or breakdown maintenance. And the activity of the preventive maintenance is cleaning of the equipment, grease changing or top up of an equipment, lubricant changing or top up, and the cleaning of the heat exchanger, tightening of any equipment. That is the preventive maintenance. And the second is predictive maintenance. This is condition based maintenance. Health of an equipment to be observed by the few parameters like temperature of the bearing, vibration, current of the equipment, and the displacement. If any one parameter show the abnormal value, it's mean the machine is not working proper. We need to replace any spare part or to repair the machine. And the activity of this type of maintenance is more costly as compared to preventive maintenance. And the activity of this type of maintenance is replacement of bearing, because if bearing have any abnormal sound, we need to replace the bearing. Replacement of impeller of any pump, cleaning or replacement of filter. If any filter DP, so the going high range, we need to clean or the replacement of the filter. And the third is breakdown maintenance. This type of maintenance is unwanted in plant because this type of maintenance is hazards to man, equipment, and the connecting or nearby equipment, or maybe hazards to the total plant. So we did not want this type of maintenance in our industry. Breakdown maintenance to be conducted when any equipment to be totally in breakdown. This type of maintenance have more cost as compared to predictive maintenance, because in predictive maintenance we will be replace only the replacement of only bearing of the pump, but in this maintenance the activities replacement of gearbox, replacement of fan, welding of the ruptured structure, so it is important for us to give the more importance to preventive maintenance. If we will be give more concentration of the preventive maintenance, then if we have no need to conduct of the predictive maintenance, and but if we will be skip the predictive maintenance, definitely we need to conduct this type of maintenance. And one thing is equipment availability percentage. The formula of equipment availability percentage is here. Equipment running time minus downtime into 100 divided by total available operating time The formula of equipment availability percentage is equipment running time minus downtime multiply 100 divided by the total available operating time of an equipment. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.